This edition of the Ridley Report is brought to you by
Freaking.com.
Decades overdue, it's finally starting. Some semblance of a property tax revolt in New Hampshire. By declaring his controversial home a parsonage or church or something like that, Keen radio host Ian Freeman has probably triggered the 3-year countdown to having the home taken. Now, when I say home, there are really different words that I could use for this spot. I could call it the Keen Activity Center, which is sort of part of the, duplex that makes up Ian's property. That place is even more controversial than Ian's house. Although, I'm really not sure what all the definitions are here and what all the geographic significance of each part of the property is. And I'm not sure if the Keen Activity Center is part of that, if it's just Ian's house. But anyway, the important thing is there's a property there that's basically going into revolt status. Now, if I understand correctly, this situation is different from what's developing in Grafton, where Free Stater John Cannell owns a church which is in fact a church building and is open to the public for worship services and so forth to a large extent. I'm assuming he, kind of went through the normal paces that you go through in terms of paperwork and so forth. I'm not really referring to that as an attempted revolt.
Who is the guy in the hat? The man right there stole my phone.
What Ian and company are doing, I got the impression from listening to Free Talk Live that they're not even going through the motions of trying to get government